this was one of the easiest games I think South Africa yawadlala. Bebeze nabo besaba thina sabaqala and salimala lapho. But I think in overall the performance was better ngoba this time around we didn't defend that much. Sizamile ukuya phambili and we attacked. Ngama changes ucoach awenzile, they work for us because sitholile goal. But I think still bese sidlala nabadlali ade sebesaba ukudlala njengomkwena no.
We're just glad coach ufakile ama 2K so that sizokwazi ukukora. Do you get what I'm saying? Mufukeng, Mukwena, we're very proud of the whole team. Well done, guys. This was so much better than the first game. Keep it up. We are proud of you, Bafana.
No, it did. We are hopeful. We can't wait for next week. Futhi next week is our winner. Actually, we're not drawing.
Yeah.
Last week was a lose. This week was a draw. Next week's our win.
Exactly. The direction is up.
Yeah, bro.
That's the only direction we're going here. So we're definitely winning next week.
I think umdlalo namhlanje was very nice. We entertainer. No masingawinanga. I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan. So into situation. But I think the game was great and the vibe was great. And but I just loved watching them today and it was great. It was entertaining football. I wanna experience it today. Everyone is up and
no babadlale kahle abafana ikakhulukazi ekugcineni engakusho nje ukuthi lesikepe egcinwe ngaso aqalwe ngaso yiso soqeda abantu bengashisho okuningi lesigcine ngaso aqale sona hayi qedile
igame namhla badlale kangcono kabi kunalokho abakwenza esikhathi edlala neMexico yabona ngididile ukuthi ungathi igame ifika izoqala wena unquma ukuthi uzodefend igame ingakaqali iyadida leyo but kuleni ubonile noshintsha lenzile enye into mina ngiyibuka personally abadlali laba beSundowns sebedlale kakhulu unyaka wonke bakhathele khona iFatico oyibona kuyona ubonile ume rotate ngomahobe nomkwena omfukeni sorry ukuthi kukhona le spice abesesigele yabona igame ithe isithi 8 nje bese sibuka ibafana lesiyazi besabuka iChiefs egamini eMexico manje ke bese sibuka ibafana ke so ke ushintsho kuba ushintsho olungcono kakhulu lo game abayidlalile le
defend Gimina just put all the Pirates guys amasantawana akhathele run with it attack then mhlawumbe in the second half sesinga defend ama ukuthi sinesting but kunes match siya attack azosigijimisa ama Koreans but uma singa attack nje siye nalo game plan so wazi ukuthi siwathola ama points.